Guys, the Wi-Fi is back and he's like peeing something. So I have no idea what to say. Oh, I know. It is got good news. Wi-Fi came on. It came back on. No more Princess Bro. Let's go downstairs. And I got some cray news. I saved a bird like an hour ago. Saved a bird. Get out here. Dang. Let's try to get out here. Get out this way. I can get out this way. It's so kind of my dog. Only because I'm doing because he likes it. Oh, I'm taking a shower. Okay. Hi.
A little bit of water.
It's raining.
Yeah. I may need to stick them in some dirt.
Can you reach that?
Yeah.
There's the bird. Yeah, that bird is angry ever since we started cutting the thing.
I'm gonna save it.
Bird's angry.
Healthy.
Oh, it's sad. I'm gonna fix it. I love
Okay, so my cray news is I saved a bird. Come, Rich. Ricardo. I saved a bird. The bird. So you can't go out the front door. I don't want to get my socks wet. Here. Right here. Excuse me, fly. Right here, there's stop! You're stepping on my hair. No stepping on hair. No. Nope. He's so energetic. Okay, so right there's stairs that come from down here, and the stairs go down, and then there's the sidewalk. Yeah, right there, the sidewalk. One of the cats, his name's YY, and he was coming from across their lawn, and he ran up here, and went down the stairs with a baby pigeon. Can you believe that, Mark? Can you believe that? Can you tell me? Can you believe that? Can you believe that? You cannot. You gotta find out what's happening. Go, bud. Ridiculous and cute. Okay, but I saved the bird. I saved the bird. The bird was down there. YY had it in his mouth, and I said, YY, let go. And YY let go and then ran up the tree. And then his mom, dad, and then the bird's mom and dad and other relatives tried to get the cat away, but I ended up saving the bird. And he hopped down the little stairs that goes down to the sidewalk. Then he hopped across, and then he flew up to here. Do you guys want to know a story? That's probably the mom and dad thing. An actual story is, here's an actual story about the mom's the one who we saved. And then later she made a baby. Well, here's the story. Me and my grandma, my parents were out doing stuff. It was my parents' anniversary. And I was home with my grandma. So, and we were down playing Minecraft downstairs. And all of a sudden we look out the window and there's a little bird. It's a little bird and her wing's wet and she can't fly. And there's a cat trying to get her. It wasn't our cat. It was somebody else's cat. It was a cat trying to get her. I told my grandma I wanted to go save him. We yelled at the cat to go away. The cat went away and the bird found a little place to sit. So he sat here. Later on, it was like 5 minutes after that, the rain stopped and it was all nice and sunny again. And we looked out the window and he got up and he started flying back, and she started flying back to a tree. There's a tree right here, that tree. That's where she went. She flew up to her tree. And she lives right next to us. And then I guess she moved over here. So she now lives over here. More close to her house, but I guess that's where the baby went. So yeah. You know, her bird, that's our best friend, because we saved that bird's life. And this is going to be the second bird we've saved. Right, Rick? Rick! Wake up! Little bud, wake up! Wake up! Yeah, what's going on in the Rick life? Are you serious? Are you serious, Rick? Are you serious? Are you serious? He's licking me to death right now. Little do you know that he's licking me to death right now. Squish. What is it, Rick? I'm gonna squish you. Hey. Hey, I got your tail. I got your tail. What you gonna do about that? He's like, what did you ever do to you? Squish, squish, squish. Okay, so see you guys later.